Brothers. Um, all right, so I'm making this quick tutorial, just so I can go over like how we're going to implement source control on our code, and really just like how to get your environment set up and all that good stuff. Pretty much, I'll also try and link like text documents, like websites or whatever, on just like GitHub. But once you get into it, it'll be pretty easy. So I'm gonna send you all this link. Let's see. I made an organization just because it made it easier for me. So the organization is Notorious Coding. So that owns this repo. Repo is short for repository. The repository is called Ice Code Portal. Right now, there's a get ignore file. There's nothing in there right now, and a README. The README literally just says this. Summer project, whatever. That's on my list of things to add to. But essentially, what you're going to do, you're going to come up here after you're signed in. You're going to click fork. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose your username, and that's where you want to fork the repo. So that shouldn't take too long. All right, so here's the fork. So you see now it has my username, Ice Cold Portal, forked from the organization's name, Ice Cold Portal. Cool. So that should, of course, yours should look like this, but with your username. And now what you're going to do is you're going to want to clone your fork. And again, I'm going to try and post some like resources on exactly like what this terminology means. But this is what you will call the upstream repo, the Notorious Coding Portal. Then you have your fork. So this is like the local, this is actually, it's not local, it's just your fork, right? And then you're gonna have a clone of your fork, which will be your local repo, right? That's gonna, and by local, I mean it's on your laptop. So you're gonna open up your terminal, and I hope you all have Macs. If you have Windows, I have no idea what to do. You don't have to worry about this. You don't have a proxy. Just go to any directory. For me, I just have a directory called Git repos where I literally just keep all of my Git repositories and make sure I don't have it in here. Yeah. You're going to copy this link, clone, copy link. You're going to open up your terminal. You're going to say git clone, paste the link, hit enter. It says cloning in the Ice Cold Portal, and it clones everything. Now, if you do an ls to list everything, you should see the portal, and then you can just cd into that directory. CD means change directory, ls, and you can see, you might not be able to see your git or your git ignore because I have my settings set so I can see hidden files, but you'll see the readme. If you look in the readme, it has the information that we have. And that's pretty much just how you're going to have your Git environment set up. So this video is just for how to clone the repo onto your local machine. I'll make another video on exactly how we're going to commit changes. So as a recap, I'm gonna send you an invite to this portal, or I'm gonna put this on the Trello board. You come here, you fork it, right? After you go to your fork, let me click on mine. After you go to your fork, you're going to copy this link, right? You're going to go to the terminal window, open up a new tab. You're going to go to wherever. If you do ls, you can see all the directories when you first open up your terminal. So you can go to desktop, documents, downloads. These are things that you can typically see with your Finder. Or you can just go into some other directory I have called Git repos, wherever. Do git clone, paste the link, and after you do that, you should see the portal there. All right, and that's the end of this video.